Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Tanita weighing scale. First, ensure your scale is on a hard, flat surface, not carpet, for precise measurements. Next, install the batteries or charge your device as instructed. If your model has smart features, download the companion app and pair it using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Finally, create your personal profile, inputting your age, gender, and height. To take an accurate measurement, step onto the scale barefoot once it shows 0.0. Ensure your feet are clean and positioned correctly on the electrodes. Stand completely still until all your readings, including weight and body composition, are displayed. For the most consistent results, measure at a similar time each day, ideally before your evening meal, and avoid doing so right after intense exercise or consuming large meals. Tanita scales provide various metrics beyond just weight. You'll see your body fat percentage, muscle mass, and bone density. Understand your basal metabolic rate, which is calories burned at rest, and your metabolic age. Pay attention to your visceral fat rating, as a high score indicates increased health risks. Tracking these numbers over several weeks helps you understand your body's changes and the effectiveness of your health routine. To maximize the accuracy of your Tanita scale, measure yourself once a week at the same time of day. Always ensure your feet are dry and clean for optimal electrical conductivity. Store your scale in a room with moderate temperature and humidity, avoiding the bathroom if possible. Remember, consistent conditions are key to reliable data. For any specific questions, always refer to your scale's user manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.